Okay, now I'm going 2 by 2 algebraic method, shortcut method. So we have already checked this problem for pure strategy game. Maximin and minimax are not equal. We have already checked it up, this problem. So I'm not going to do that because this is a mixed strategy game, I know for sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this question using the shortcut method. So the shortcut method is a direct method where you find the answers directly, and I'm going to write my result directly here. I'm going to write my V here, and I have a result here. So like because I'm very jolly in this method, it's very easy. So if you are not able to understand this method, stick to the formula method because that gives you more clarity. Because but if you understand this method, this is very easy, so use this. Okay, so first step is to find minimum, the difference between, you have to find the difference between big and small value. This is the objective. Okay, so I'm going to find the difference between the big and small value. Here my first row is 3 minus 2. So I'm going to find the difference between these two. I'm going to use the rough column here to find the difference. Okay, and directly write the answer there, no steps and all involved. So first value is 3 and minus 2. So I have 3 and minus 2. The big value is 3, difference minus the small value is minus 2. So this becomes 3 plus 2. The idea is if you have a negative value, just add the two numbers. If you don't have a negative value, subtract the two numbers. So here you get 5. And this 5, I am going to write it below. I have found the difference between these two and I am writing it in the second row. First row, I am writing the second row. Now for the second row, you have 2 and 4. The big value is 4 minus the small value 2. Here there is no negative, so you just subtract it. So this becomes 2. Here I am writing it in the first row. So this is the first step. Now the second step, you are going to add these two values. So I am going to add these two values. So 2 plus 5 becomes 7. So I am going to divide each of the values by that total. That is, it will be 2 by 2 plus 5, 5 by 2 plus 5. This is the idea that we have here, got it here. So you have like 2 by 7, 5 by 7. That is what you are doing here. Okay, this is also becomes rough now. So here again, similarly, we are going to do for the column values. So you have first column 3, 2. I am going to take the big value, subtract it with this small value. I have 1. And when I get the answer, I write it in the second column, not the first column. In the second column, I have minus 2, 4. I am going to take the big value 4 minus the small value. So here it becomes plus 2, that is 6. And I am going to write it here. As I told you, just add it if it has a minus. So here you go. So now 6 plus 1 is 7. So divide by 7, divide by 7. So here your P1 is 2 by 7, 5 by 7. Here it is 6 by 7, 1 by 7. Now we have to calculate V. As usual, I take up the first column. That is easier to remember. So I have 3 into 2 by 7. So I have 3 into 2 by 7 plus 2 into 5 by 7. So this is, I am going to keep the denominator, there are both are 7, so I am going to keep it same. Just the numerator I am multiplying. So 6 plus 10. So the value is 16 by 7. So it is 16 by 7. So this is the method, shortcut method used to solve a 2 by 2 algebraic method. Now I will post this video as well as the photo. You guys can try out. I'll give you some more problems to solve.